talk about how to perform a saliva collection. This collection is for hormone samples. First of all, on the paperwork, you want to complete the area that is highlighted up here that has all of your personal information. And then there's an area right here that talks about the day of the test, right in the day you collected the sample. It's all collected in one day. And then over here you need to check the box that says that the sample was frozen. So at the end of the day you will freeze the samples. You want to read the highlighted areas on the back up here. So test preparation. For 3 to 5 days prior to the test, do not take any sublingual hormones. If you're taking a hormone tablet underneath the tongue, please discontinue that. And then do not consume on the day of collection chocolate, onions, garlic, cruciferous vegetables such as cabbage, cauliflower, or broccoli. And then you can drink most liquids, but do not drink any caffeinated liquids, no coffee or black tea or anything like that. The collection samples are going to be done 4 times during the day. The collection samples come in these blue collection kits. You pour them out. You will see that there are 4 of these test kits here. This one you'll start with, it says morning fasting. That means before you eat anything, you can collect this sample. No water or anything, just wake up in the morning. Between 6 and 8 a.m., you will find the collection time on here. You will drool basically to fill this container up to the 5 mark. We include in there dental wax that is unflavored. Take 1 strip of the dental wax and chew it, and it makes you salivate heavily. So you will take about 10 to 15 minutes oftentimes to fill this up with drool until it fills up to that 5 line right there. And then you're going to write your name and birth date on this and seal it and leave it in the box. And then the next collection time will be done at noon. That's basically 11 to 1 p.m. You will take the sample that's marked noon and repeat the same thing. Take another strip of the dental wax, chew it. This is a non-fasting sample here. However, there are some guides as far as, if you've eaten meal or snack, to write the time that you've done that on there, on the paperwork. And then there is an afternoon sample. This one is between 4 to 5 p.m. This sample, we draw an asterisk on the paperwork, and from that afternoon sample, once you fill this up with 5 milliliters up to that 5 line, you are going to pour off up to the 2 line into the green container. So you'll collect 5 in the blue one, pour off up to 2 in the green container, seal them both, write your name and birth date on each of them, leave them in the box. And then you will collect your last sample at midnight, which get the appropriately labeled one. Get the midnight sample. Here it is. And again, fill it up to the 5 line. When you are completed with the midnight sample, throw the entire box into the freezer and let it freeze overnight. Then you will be sure that you have the paperwork completed. You will fold up the paperwork, put it inside the box the next morning. You will close the box. You will apply the sticker on here which seals the box, and then you drop it off at a UPS, United Parcel Service collection center, and they will send that out. This needs to be dropped off at UPS Monday through Wednesday. If you complete the sample on Thursday, again, write the appropriate date, freeze it until Monday, and then send it out then. Again, if you have any questions, you can call our office.